Hi everyone, let's learn today very unique office table photo frame. If you like it, then please make sure to subscribe, share and like. So let's start. First we will need some wooden clips. Break all wooden clips in two parts. We don't need this metal clip, so separate it. Here are some broken clips. We will take 3 clips and we'll join them from hot glue. If you like it, then please make sure to subscribe my channel. Put some hot glue and stick them together. We will stick 3 pair of clips together like this. We will make 3 small flower pot like this. You can see it, how I made that. After this, we will need some popsicle sticks, 1 thick chart paper around 6 to 10 inches. Cut the chart paper of the size of popsicle sticks. We will stick all the popsicle sticks on the chart paper. I took around 6 to 8 inches chart paper, and this is the back side of the photo frame. Now I choose golden color for painting wooden clips and popsicle sticks. After sticking all the popsicle sticks, I painted it from golden color, and after that I painted all the wooden clips from golden color. Now we will need 3 small flowers. Stick these flowers downside of the wooden pot. Now we will stick all 3 wooden pots on popsicle stick base. We will need some golden string for hanging it. Cut small part of golden string and make a knot. Now stick this golden strip on the back side of the photo frame from duct tape. Now we will need jute tape for covering duct tape. Now cut any photo of your choices to stick it on the photo frame. Now we will need any ribbon of your choice. Now cut the ribbon and stick it and add some flower of your choices. Now our beautiful office table photo frame is ready. You can hang it or you can just put it on the table. If you like my unique craft work, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.